face of Tagubi. Explain what you are. So, mamaya, kayong dalawa, from a beautiful face.
Third. Kayong dalawa ni Gautis, magtulungan kayo. Walang
Me, together with my vice president,
respeto. You are the president. Katawan.
Respect.
Pwede yung katawan mo. Pare, ganito. Ikaw, katawan mo na. Mamaya. Pare, pag sinabing wall breakers clan, iba tayo.
When we say the whole Breakers clan,
You're the president.
it is kind of a clan,
Which is not personally. Which is not through sex only, but personally, with a discipline,
and
personally touch. United clan, and no Japanese.
What do you mean in Japan? I understand.
No girl, would you please translate
In English?
No playboys.
Yeah, I got it.
Okay, so, I got it. Tuloy ang tagay. Tama na yan.
English ulit.
Kamot na naman sa ulo. Katawan mo na. Ay, salig. Rain!
Amen.
Kita sa video.
Is that a joke? Walang kaulo ko pulutan eh. What is that? What are you doing?
Bigyan naman.
Is that a pulutan?
Pai, will you please shut up? Right, tuloy mo na. Right there.
Pops, what are you doing there? Get inside! Fuck you, my nigga! Fuck Ash!
Tayo na katawan niya. Katawan.
Sabaw pa! Gaga!
Pai
lang kita. I love Maggie, man. No doubt. Uy! Kahit lasing nakaka-recover pa rin. Okay, proceed. Proceed na ako. Proceed na